Good morning, Davenport. I'm here to continue informing you about our reaction and actions that the City of Davenport is taking in response to COVID-19. Please remember to keep a safe distance of at least 6 feet between you and others, and wash your hands frequently. These are two of the best ways to help prevent the spread. As a reminder to better protect the health of our employees and the City of Davenport, we've limited the access to City Hall, the Police Department, Public Works, and other facilities. The public will still be able to do business, but just not face-to-face. Phones are available in the front vestibules at City Hall, the Police Department, and Public Works if you need to contact someone. Residents who need to do business with the city are encouraged to do so online. A list of city online resources can be found at www.davenportiowa.com/COVID, COVID. I want to take a moment to wish a happy farewell and best wishes to our Finance Director, Brandon Wright. As a result of his good financial stewardship, the city is able to respond to COVID-19 with minimal impact so far to our city's budget. Due to our work that our staff's done in Brandon's financial department, we have a backup and we are in good position. Recently, I visited with every fire department shift and stations along with the police department to hear firsthand how our first responders are continuing to serve our community during this critical time. They are our frontline fight for this response. I thank them for their work and their continued service to the City of Davenport. I've spoke with Genesis many times and want to give my sincere thanks to our healthcare workers who take care of those in need 24/7 and stand ready to deal with this public health emergency. Davenport applauds your efforts. Everyone, please look out for each other. Call and check in on family and friends. Check and call on the elderly and then visit them from a distance and know we are with you. If a relative is located in a nursing home, retirement home, or long-term care facility, please maintain your distance, but check in with the facility to see how they're doing. If a relative lives at home, visitors should limit their access as necessary and use good housekeeping practices and social distancing as best as possible. Please remember to keep that 6-foot distance. Remember, just because you feel fine, you could still be carrying the virus and exposing it to others. I want to thank the many volunteers that have offered their support for our city and surrounding community, especially giving out meals to our school children. If you are in need of a meal, the Davenport School District has begun handing out free meals. Please visit the Davenport Community School District for details. We will execute our city council meeting tomorrow as we did last week. Please email me any comments by noon tomorrow. Thank you to our city IT department for again making this happen. We will split the council up virtually to maintain the CDC guidelines of gathering 10 or less. Remember, if you feel sick, call your doctor, stay at home. If you think you need a test for COVID, you must get a referral from your doctor first. Please follow your doctor's precautions. Please maintain your distance from others. I strongly encourage our community to support our local businesses during this time by ordering curbside and delivery. Purchase gift cards, visiting online stores. Also, the Mississippi Blood Center is in need of blood if you're able to give. They need our help now more than ever. Please call them to set an appointment to give blood. Governor Reynolds announced the launch of a new Iowa Small Business Relief Program that will provide financial assistance to small businesses that have been economically impacted by the COVID-19 epidemic. This program offers eligible small businesses grants from $5,000 to $25,000, in addition to offering all Iowa businesses a deferral of sales and use of withholding taxes due and waiver of penalty and interest. More information can be found at iowabusinessrecovery.com. I'll say that again, iowabusinessrecovery.com. As families and children are staying home, we want to ensure they're taking safety precautions. Our Davenport Police Department is providing tips via their social media page during this time. City administration staff and myself continue to work with the County Emergency Management Agency, health departments, along with the Iowa League of Cities and state leaders on a daily basis via conference calls to limit the spread of COVID-19. I'm in contact with our public health officials and leaders, and especially our mayors, to help work together to solve the issues with COVID-19. We will beat this together, and know myself and the city are with you. Please take the bans and guidance seriously. Please social distance. This is a national and state emergency. We need all of our community to work together. And then I want you to know that I continue to push for personal protection equipment for our first responders and health care workers. This must be our priority. They are on the front lines of this pandemic, and we must ensure that we do everything we can to give them the equipment to do their jobs. I will be visiting Public Works folks today to thank them for their efforts as they do their job, just like the first responders do and the healthcare workers do, and everyone during this time of this pandemic. Again, thank you for your time. God bless Davenport. God bless our state and nation.